This video is an instructional video for the installation of the CarBahn B58 silencer delete kit. For this installation, you will need the following tools: diagonal cutters, a 6mm socket tool, a T20 tool, a flathead screwdriver, Knipex ear clamp pliers, and a fast-drying lubricant like isopropyl alcohol. Start by removing the band clamp on the intake tube baffle. Loosen the intake lid hose clamp. Disconnect the intake temperature sensor and move it out of the way. Remove the intake box. Remove the 3 rubber grommets on the intake box. Replace these grommets in the engine bay. 2 go on the strut tower and 1 in the frame. Be sure the frame grommet seats all the way. Back on the airbox, remove the lid by undoing the clips and separating it from the airbox. Remove the 2 T20 fasteners from the intake lid silencer. Using a flathead, pry the retaining tab up and remove the silencer. Wet the intake silencer delete with isopropyl alcohol. Carefully work the silencer delete onto the intake lid. Fasten the 2 T20 fasteners. Replace the intake lid onto the intake box and secure the metal tabs. Back in the engine bay, remove the intake tube baffle and place the new band clamp. Insert the silencer delete and use your hand on the inside of the tube to align the faces. Tighten the band clamp with the Knipex ear clamp tool. Replace the intake box by connecting it to the intake tube and then pressing it into the grommets. Make sure that the intake box is pressed fully into the grommets. It should pop into place. Plug in the temperature sensor and tighten the intake clamp. Finally, on the infotainment system, disable the artificial engine noise so that you can hear the real engine intake noise.